What's going on YouTube? My name is Malik, and I'm here to teach you how to make money online. Now, before we get started, what I need you to do is I need you to hit the like button. I need you to ring the notification bell, and I need you to subscribe to the channel. And the reason I need you to do that is because I make videos on this channel in an attempt to teach you how to make money online and give you the financial freedom that you deserve. And this channel is full of those kind of tips and tricks. They are full of things that I've done and I've tried and lessons that I've learned. It's great for beginners or even advanced people who are just trying to branch out and diversify their income. As we all know, you've heard me time and time again on this channel is saying you need to diversify your income. You need to have money coming in from multiple areas. And the best way to do that is to have as many hands in as many buckets as you can possibly think of. So make sure you ring the notification bell to know exactly when I drop videos so you can get another lesson on how to make money, and also subscribe to the channel because there's a lot of videos out there, and the internet and YouTube can get really cluttered. And just so you have the foresight to know that when I drop videos, you're gonna get the good quality that you deserve, then that's going to be all right. So without further ado, let's going to get into what we're talking about today. We're going to figure out a way to make at least your first $1,000 just by reading online. Now, if you can read and you have some kind of decent quality microphone at your disposal, then this is going to be great for you. This is something that you can do from the comfort of your own home. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to, be a professional voiceover actor or anything like that. You just need to be able to read properly and be able to come across clear and concise and have a talent or have a nice voice at least. And even if you have a bad voice or not the greatest voice, there's something out there for everybody. So let's go ahead and get into this video. We're going to go to this website. And this website is called acx.com. And ACX is a place where people do their audiobooks. So folks write books all the time. You can publish a book on Amazon. You can publish a book on iTunes or Audible. There's a bunch of ways you can do that. And the greatest part about that is they also have gone to this technology place to where people are listening to books more than they are reading them. Bookstores are still around, but with commuting to work or going to someone's house, it's just a lot easier to consume content by listening to it rather than reading it. It allows you to still be aware of your surroundings, and it keeps you alert, and it's very convenient. So this is a website where people can go and they can either make their own audiobook or make a book, or they can actually hire freelancers to have an audiobook for them, to make an audiobook for them. Say you've written a book, maybe you already have a book. If you've gotten into the royalty game of just writing a bunch of ebooks and getting the royalties from those ebooks, that is something that you can definitely do. And maybe you already have a book, and this is another way you can monetize that product. Maybe you don't have a book, but you have a microphone. What you could do is you could offer to be the voiceover for the book for the people who are submitting these ebooks and things like that. So what this is a great concept, a great way to make some extra money and make some extra income. There have been stories about people who have made thousands of dollars within their first 60 days doing things like this. So what I want to just point out is we have over 2,000 titles for auditions, and over 100,000 producers to choose from, and over 100,000 audiobooks on sale. So there are thousands of books that you could potentially be doing voiceover work for, which means that, and people are writing books every single day. That's never going to stop. And we want to take advantage of that. So we have the regular website, and we can go there. But I think the most important part that we want to look into is, are you an actor or a producer? Already have audio, get the skills to succeed. We are a actor. That's what we're going to say. We're going to say we are an actor. And we can say find titles open for auditions, find a book for your voice. All right, so you're going to be an actor on ASSACX.com, and you're going to say find a book for your voice, because that's what we need. And these are all the books that they have available. All right, they have 263 pages worth of books. Now, there's over 2,000 titles. Now, you can audition. These are titles that are accepting auditions. Currently open for audition that match your search criteria. We haven't picked the particular criteria yet, but you could be the voice actor for Inferno Bound and the Hellhounds. You can be the voice actor for Nothing Sweeter Than Honey. You can be the voice actor for Texting Men, The Art of Texting. This is definitely something that you should strongly consider. They have different genres, but we really are concerned about the money. I know we're more concerned about the money than anything. So we're going to go over to compensation, which is this part of the website, compensation. And we're going to say, royalty share. Let's start off with royalty share first. Now, royalty share means that you are going to do the audio for this book, and then you're going to split the royalty share of the book itself. All right. So the book sells X amount of dollars in, the month, for the X amount of dollars for the month. What you would then do is you would get a percentage of that sale. So, if you sell 1,000 books, or if the person that wrote the book sells 1,000 books at, $10, you're going to get, 20, 30, 40%, whatever you agree upon. So let's just click one. Let's just say, this one, it's 4.5 hours. Let's see, 4.5 hours, 4,000 words. The audition process is what we're interested in. This is the script that you audition for. All right. So you would click this, you would download the script, and then you would send in your audition for the book. And if you accept it, you'll split the payments. They'll go through all the payment methods for you there, and you should be, set to go. Let's go look at another one that you get paid up front by. Let's say, 100 to 200 an hour for the books. Now, the problem with this, you see how it went down to 44 titles. The thing with this is it's expensive, and there are going to be a bunch of people going for the immediate money right here, right now, So let's go to, Revive Your Body. Let's see. Estimated length is going to be, 0.6. Project budget, word count is 6,000. This is, where's the audition? There we go. The audition. This is the audition script, right? So you would basically take this, and then you would say all those phrases and all those words, and you would turn it in. And then you would want to go ahead and look up the author, see how many books they sell on average. So you could get potentially, $100 an hour, $50 an hour, royalty share plus. This is 400. So you would get the royalty share, and you would get some kind of, deal up front. And this is great. This is fantastic. I think that this is a wonderful way for people to be getting books or getting money to purchase and listen to these books. It's something you can do from the comfort of your own home. It doesn't require anything. I would suggest that you have some kind of decent quality microphone and just a room that you could dedicate to this. And it takes nothing to do this. Now, you could spend a couple hours a day just sending out auditions. And I think you should play the numbers game. If you send out 100 auditions, at least 10 have to get back to you and accept your voice being the dialogue on their book. It just has to happen that way. So I would suggest you do that. This is a great way to make money, but the only problem is that you have to continually keep doing this. You have to do it over and over again to have it. Though it does bring you some kind of royalty program, I would say that your best bet, honestly, would be to click the first link in my description, and that's for the people who need to figure out a scalable business model and truly find a way to make money on the internet. And that's going to be it, in my opinion. That's going to be the number one way to do so. So click the first link in my description. That's my number one recommendation to having a full-time income online. My name is Make Money Malik. Please be sure to like this video, ring the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time. Peace.